Take two, everybody. Joshua McGrath from Doppler Interactive coming at you. And the coffee that I mentioned in the previous video that you won't see because it's a take two right now is still here, still warm, and I'm going to show you Ball of Woe. An update because the last video was like a month ago. My, that month has flown. As you can see, we've got the menu screen up and running. Temporary lettering on the title, obviously, but it gets the point across. And man, I love this screen, guys. I love it. I love it. Bouncing ball cracks me up. Changing letters. Oh, what are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? That's classic. Got some characters down the bottom holding your achievement, play and leaderboard buttons in reverse order. That is right to left. Um, yeah, and a break from tradition. I'm gonna go ahead and press stop or unplay and see if you can notice a difference. That is squirrel, panda, woeful, deer, panda, pig. So it's all nicely randomized with those characters there, so to get some exposure for the characters because I think they are hilarious. Let's go ahead and press play. Nice little load screen or transition screen. Point of curiosity for those of you who use Unity, I don't use any of these application.load level business. No scenes. It's all one scene with prefab overlays and all that business. I was using scenes, but then I don't know. I have to have trouble deciding where I should be doing things and keeping state consistent. So I'm like, oh, put it all in one scene. Everything's persistent. It's great. Ball selection screen. We've got some scores here. So you see it saves your scores, like what you've done the best. You know, cumulative of all time, how many things you've done. Uh, yeah, let's have a look through. Most of these things are actually finalized now. I think it's looking pretty good. You can now buy things. You can buy this ball of bones if you had the money, which we don't. We've got this sort of temporary icon down here. We already own the amazing bowler because he's just fantastic. Um, could buy some woe. That'll be microtransactions. Yep, shilling it out to the man because it would be nice one day to make a little bit of money. Cool. So with woe you buy balls and puffs or torches. I just put that help thing in. I think it helps. Let's go ahead and go ahead. Go ahead and go ahead. I like that. It's like a shirt. Cool. Fantastic. We've got a new character. See, the reason I'm doing a take two is because it came up as the deer again. The last video was the deer. This mare is saying, "Oh, great mother." I mean father. Geez, I really don't know what I mean. We've made this ball of woe for you. Please employ your mighty fingertip and free us from sleeping in the bed that we have made. Tap the ground, tap the ground. As you can see, the woeful are there. They've got their nice textures on. They're looking pretty cool. Got some scores coming up now in that font that I made oh so lovingly. Killing some, oh, well, liberating some monks or devotees, if you want to call them that. Getting some points. We've got some scenery now. Check out those bushes and signs and all that. I think that's pretty cool. Skybox is looking good too. Oh, I got that really lo-fi shadow going on underneath the bowl. You can probably see there. That is just a plane with a little transparent dot that I use raycasting to look down and decide what angle it should be placed at what angle it should be placed. I'm not sure which is correct. This is an iPad 1 minimum game, from performance perspective. So no lights, nothing like that. It's all ultra efficient, and it runs beautifully on the iPad 1, which is amazing because that thing is a goddamn dinosaur. Oh man, how many platforms was that? Crazy. So yeah, it's going pretty well. I'm enjoying it. The layout's coming along pretty well. It feels nice, you know. So I think, man, I can't remember if I've said this already. I know I said in the last video. I think we're about 2 weeks away from a beta, 6 weeks away from a full release, and then I made a joke about full release, so I'll just say full release, and some of you will get what I mean. Um, oh my goodness, I died. God damn it. There's the countdown, that means you're dying. And it minimizes because I'm on a PC and we've got Game Center integration, so it's like leaderboard not found. And here we are. We have a total of 284 woe now. We will earn 100 woe if we tweet or Facebook this business, because, got to get your share on. That's how people know these things. Got some high scores going on. And that's really the sum of it. I just found a bug, I realized. Um, yeah, so that's it really. Ball of woe coming along nicely. Oh, I can buy this ball, but if I buy that, you'll see the fact that it doesn't decrement your woe, so it's really a big bug. Let's buy it anyway. I like the ball of bones. Look at this stallion, the proud owner of a shiny new ball of bones. What do we got here? And that's 5 minutes 10. That's a pretty long video. I actually like the ball of bones. I think it looks the best. Oh my goodness. I should have read that to you. That one's funny. Liberate us from the need to fish proverbially. My goodness. Oh well, that's okay. Let's get our ball of bones on, and I'll bid you adieu. Incidentally, and it's sort of pointless saying this because, YouTube videos are timeless. The date is currently the 15th of August, and we're going to be at Unite 12 in like a week or so over in Amsterdam. So if you watch this video before then, and you're in the neighborhood, hit us up on Twitter and we'll catch up. Joshua McGrath from Doppler Interactive bringing you a Ball of War update that went a little bit longer than usual. Hoping you enjoy this colorful experience.